First on 44, the Vermont House voted to override Governor Phil Scott's veto of a minimum wage bill in a decision described by some as historic. Local 44's Devin Bates is live in the newsroom tonight with more. Devin?
Well, Lauren, a two-thirds majority was needed in the House to override Scott's veto, and Democrats just barely reached that with a 100-49 vote. Now, those who voted against raising the minimum wage are now worried it will make things worse for their struggling constituents.
None of this seems to be helping low-income workers. We are artificially trying to get out ahead of the labor markets, and that just isn't helping workers. They're getting further and further behind. My caucus, we would much rather see the hard work be done, increase the earned income tax credit, address affordability.
Representative Scott Beck was one of 49 Vermont reps that didn't want to see the state's minimum wage go up to $12.55 an hour by 2022. If one more representative shared that view, it wouldn't have become law. But instead, Vermont Democrats had enough votes to override a GOP veto for the first time since 2009.
When it comes down to it, it's really a question about, do we want to lift the pay of tens of thousands of people or not? And the amount that it's being raised over the course of 2 years. Some of us wish it was more, but it's quite modest, which meant that it could enlist more support from more House members to get over the hump on the override.
According to a recent VPR Vermont PBS 2020 poll, voters also support raising the minimum wage. 41% of respondents said they wanted to see it raised to $12.55 an hour, and 33% wanted the legislature to go even further. Senate President Pro Tem Tim Ash said the numbers were a compromise.
The discussion about pay at the bottom end of the pay scale is one that's not going to stop. But we look at that from a variety of places, including supporting people to get more skills so that they can earn more. And the minimum wage is a part of that discussion.
Workforce education and affordability are also key priorities for many who voted against raising the minimum wage. They just don't see it being nearly as effective as those efforts.
These are really fundamental underlying concerns that are really impacting our workers, especially our low-income workers, and especially in the rural areas where they have to travel further. There are fewer opportunities for education and advancement, and we are just not doing the hard work to really help our low-income workers.
Now, in a statement today, Governor Scott said in part, quote, "My concerns for this bill based on fiscal analysis from the legislature's Joint Fiscal Office have been that the negative impacts on Vermont's economy, workers' hours, and jobs will outweigh the positive benefits, especially in our more rural areas." Live in the newsroom tonight, Devin Bates, Local 44 News.